Initially, this town that this world that we are in now, things are so much hard. The costly things of is happening with us. More especially, what to eat is a problem to us. Talk less of what to buy and replace this thing. To my own will, I don't have anything to say rather than thank God. I know I will not replace this thing. As far as I'm a student, and I have nothing to say. But I'm praying to God that God will open my ways for me so that I will replace some of them. Even if I'm not going to replace them all, government should come to my own end and assist me. That's the only thing that I have.
It's a disaster, and it has ravaged, the windstorm has ravaged the community. It has ravaged almost 150 houses. Livelihoods are destroyed, and houses are destroyed, and some people were injured. So in fact, it's a disaster. There is no break, so it directly affects the distance. So I want to encourage the community, and honestly I want to, as a matter of fact, meet with the ACRISA. I want to meet with the coordinator of ACRISA to be able to see how we can be able to come into the community and then see how we can partner with the community to bring about afforestation, so that we can have trees that can serve as windbreaks, so that we don't have, so that this thing doesn't occur again. So I think that is what I have in mind, is the take home. I want to call on the meaningful individuals, not just government organizations. We have NGOs. Please, they should come to the aid of this community. The community has been ravaged. You have seen it yourselves. So I want to call on other well-meaning Nigerians and NGOs to come to the aid of this community.